In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm currently making $800 per day within my first week promoting this system. And before we get into the content, if you want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. And if you like videos about entrepreneurship and online marketing, make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, and in this video, we're simply just going to go ahead and cover episode number 5 of the passive income case study. And basically, it's just me recently starting to promote this system. The results have been ridiculous. So I just wanted to go ahead and basically give you guys a 1-week update. I want to show you guys exactly how I promoted it. I'm going to show you what to expect moving forward in the future, and basically how I'm just leveraging this to like crush it online, right? So let's just get right into it. Let's step behind the laptop, and boom, we're behind the laptop, right? So first and foremost, first thing that I gotta do is go to Google, and we're gonna do today's date. So today's date is December 23rd, right? Now, just to show you guys that this is December 23rd, right? My first day promoting this system. I'll show you the first income stream was right here, December 16th. And I made $183. But if we go to the calendar, so if we notice, the 16th, we'll scroll in a little bit on this one, but the 16th was a Sunday, right? Where I earned my first commission on a Sunday, and today's Sunday as well. So this is an update video, 7 days promoting this system. And we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a step-by-step breakdown. And then once I show you guys how much money I made, I'm gonna show you guys how I actually was able to generate these commissions, right? So the first one, here's an email. If you look up here, December 17th, so that's a day after the 16th. So this is within that 7-day period. We have 6 days ago, and it says you earned a commission and you earned $1,000, right? So if I was to go to 1,000, it's the first income stream, plus, right? Next is going to be the biggest actually income stream. Now, if we look here, yesterday, I don't know why it's saying yesterday, but if we look at the date, this is December 23rd, 2018, right? Now, if we look at the day before that, if I could look at the day before that, so the 22nd, so yesterday I made $200. Today, I made $350 with this system, and that's not even how much I made total today. I'll show you guys how much I made today, actually. So the 2 income streams that I generated today was this one. If we look at ROI panel, if we look at December 23rd, I made $298.50. So $298.50, December 23rd, so that's today, right? We just looked at the date. Google Calendar, it is the 23rd today. So total today, I'm actually gonna go ahead and break down how much I made today first. $298.50 plus, what is it, 200? I mean 350. So alone today I made $648.50, right? But let's take a look overall how much I made. So 1,000 plus, that's the first income stream. Second income stream, we made $3,444. So we're gonna add that. That's how much I made for the week. $3,444 plus income stream number 3, I guess you could say, $183.20. $183.20 plus, no payouts there yet, so $397. 97. Nothing over there. So is that it? I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so basically, we're actually going to screenshot that, but $5,024.20 is how much we made this week. Just this one system. This isn't my only income. However, this has definitely added a big chunk of income into my life, right? I wasn't expecting this. I started promoting this a week ago, and I'll prove it to you guys that I started promoting it a week ago. But, and this income stream added an extra $717.74 to my life. So I didn't have that before. Now I have that in my life, right? Now, what did I actually do to promote this, right? So initially, YouTube, my channel. So I'll go to videos. So there's one video specifically for this system, 2 videos for this, wait, hold on. Actually, no, that one's not for this video. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I created 5 YouTube videos, right? Which totaled about 700, 900, 600, 500, so we'll say 1,000. So a little over 3,000 views, And then if we go to Aweber, right? So my list is currently 13,000 people. I just hit my list just now with an email. So this is today, so we're not counting today's email because I literally just sent that out. So if we look at show more, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 emails. This one is actually promoting a different offer. So the solution to the job you hate, that's promoting something else. So a total of 6 emails, and a total of, and by the way, guys, an email broadcast is all I'm doing is sending an email to the 13,000 subscribers on my list. So 6 emails, 5 YouTube videos, right? Now, what am I doing? I'm driving traffic from these to the offer that I'm promoting, the system I'm promoting. That's basically what it comes down to, right? Now, you're probably thinking, well, Eric, I don't have 13,000 email subscribers. I don't have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. I get it, right? Guys, this isn't my only traffic method, right? What I'm going to do is reinvest about half of that income, so about $2,500 this week. I'm going to start investing into paid traffic, right? So basically, to scale this business up, I'm going to start aggressively investing into paid traffic, and watch how much I scale this income. So this is my first week with this system. I made $5,000. I can't wait. I've never made 5 figures in a week. So that's my goal here. What I mean by that, 5 figures in a week is a $10,000 a week. So if I can double that, if I can make $10,000 in a week, that's gonna be a record for me, right? So I'm trying to break records here. Basically, super excited for this income stream. All I'm doing is promoting this system. I have other income streams, other avenues, but as far as an affiliate, I step behind this. It's converting ridiculously well. So now what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start investing paid traffic. So I'm gonna start reinvesting these profits back into paid traffic. So with that being said, guys, you can build an email list with paid traffic, right? You don't have to have a massive following. And the fortune's in the follow-up. A lot of this income is because of my emails, right? The fortune's in the follow-up. You follow up with people, you build a relationship with them over time. Eventually, they're gonna go and buy, right? So that's just a 1 week update, $5,024. I remember I didn't even make $5,000 a month, right? I used to make like $2,500 a month. So we're basically doubling my monthly income in a week. My goal is to hit $10,000 this week. I mean, not this week. We'll see if we can crack 10,000 next week. We'll see what we can do. But this income stream is going to be ridiculous. I can already feel it. That's basically the update. If you guys want to go ahead and get access there will be a link. There will be number one recommendation to make money online will be down below. And also there's going to be access to a free course down below. So if you guys want to just get access to the course, it'll actually show you how to promote this offer, or the link across the screen will give you guys access to the actual offer that I'm promoting if you guys want to step behind this as well. And people who are on my team who invest into higher ticket products, which is $1,000 plus, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys access to my full affiliate marketing course. And if you take this serious, I'll take you serious. So I'll start investing into you guys to help you guys get similar results, right? So quick disclaimer, results not typical. Obviously, I'm an experienced marketer, so I don't expect to make $700 per day your first week in this business. Is it possible? Absolutely. But over time, imagine how awesome that would be, right? It'd be amazing. So with that being said, that's it within a nutshell. Appreciate you guys for actually watching this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and step behind the system, start making some money, right? Get you one step closer to walking away from that 9 to 5 with an extra $5,000 per week. Allow you to walk away from that 9 to 5 corporate slavery. I mean, do the math. That's $20,000 a month. That's ridiculous. So with that being said, appreciate you guys. As always, your boy, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
If you like that video, be sure to like, comment, and share. And also be sure to smash that subscribers button and notifications bell to join Wolves Nation. Lastly, if you're tired of working a 9 to 5, you want to be your own boss, you want to travel the world, create a life by design, or even just the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online by clicking the first link in the description. And I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with me. I know you could be spending it somewhere else, so thank you. And until next time, your friend and mentor, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.